Company is licensed in Massachusetts and a registered contractor in Rhode Island, serving Taunton, Raynham, Easton, Bridgewater, Boston, and Rhode Island. For years, Ferreira Company has been providing complete waterproofing and weather-related emergencies for residential and commercial properties. Our commitment to our clients is to provide them the best value by following these guidelines. Provide the highest level of professionalism. In-house team of skilled and experienced technicians. Complete each project on time and on budget. Use the best materials that carry the best performance warranties. Year-round service. Improve property value with the services of Ferreira Company. Repairs and reconstruction of aged or damaged chimneys. Professional siding and installation and repair. Installation and repair of Skylight systems. Call today for a free consultation and estimate.
Work hard. Never give up. Be respectful. Be brave. Believe in yourself. Break records. Make your own destiny. Ferreira Company.
FerreiraCo.com